Morning everyone. This class is about the roadmap part 1 for NEET 2025. NEET syllabus 2025, let us see. There is subject wise breakdown includes a detailed description of all three major sections of the NEET UG exam. NEET 2025 biology syllabus focusing on the complexity of living organism, and the NEET 2025 physics syllabus covers essential topics like mechanics and thermodynamics, which is important for understanding medical related physical principles. The NEET 2025 chemistry syllabus includes organic, inorganic and physical chemistry, emphasizing chemical reactions and bonding. Students preparing for NEET 2025 should thoroughly engage with these subjects to ensure a well-rounded understanding and success in the NEET UG 2025 exams. See, apart from the biology, in the previous class we have seen the biology syllabus, and in NEET physics syllabus, which covers the essential topic, this you have to keep in mind. It is mechanics and thermodynamics. Mechanics and thermodynamics. This is very important for NEET 2025 physics syllabus. Okay, and if you take the chemistry syllabus, it includes the organic, inorganic and physical chemistry emphasizing the chemical reaction and bonding. Okay, so these are very important. So students, those who are preparing for the NEET 2025 should thoroughly engage with these subjects to ensure a well-rounded understanding and success in the NEET UG 2025 exam. Okay, let us see the class 11. Class 11 is also equally important as class 12. So let us see the class 11 unit wise. So unit 1, if you take, it is the diversity of living organism. So there is a change in this unit. So what are the things which is coming under in this unit is what is living, biodiversity, need for classification, taxonomy and systematics, concepts of species and taxonomical hierarchy, binomial nomenclature. 5 kingdom classification, if you take salient features and classification of Monera, Protista and fungi into major groups, lichens, viruses and viroids. Okay. And then if you see the next thing in the sense, next subunit, the salient features and classification of the plants into major groups, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, 3 to 5 salient and distinguishing features and at least 2 examples of each category. Salient features and classification of animals, non-chordate up to phyla level and chordate up to classes level. 3 to 5 salient features and at least 2 examples will come in NEET examination. Okay, so this is unit 1. There is a change, a slight change. Okay, diversity of living organisms. This is also very important. Unit 2, if you see the structural organization in plants and animals, there is a change here also. If you see the morphology and modifications, tissues, anatomy and functions of different parts of flowering plants, root, stem, leaf, inflorescence, cymose and racemose, flower, fruit and seed. Okay, to be dealt along with the relevant practical of the physical practical syllabus. Family, Malvaceae and Cruciferaceae, Leguminosae, Compositae and Graminae. Animal tissues, morphology, anatomy and functions of different systems. It is digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous and reproductive. Of an insect, frog, it is brief account only. And if you see the unit 3, cell structure and function, here there is no change. So cell theory and cell as the basic of unit of life, structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell you can learn, and plant cell and animal cell, cell envelope, cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelle, structure and function. And the endomembrane system, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes, plastids, microbodies, cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella, centrioles, ultrastructure and function, nucleus, nuclear membrane, chromatin, nucleolus. And chemical constituents of living cells, if you see, it includes the biomolecule, structure and function of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, enzymes, types, properties, enzyme action, classification and nomenclature of enzymes. All these are included in this. And cell division, if you see, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis and their significance. So these are very, very important. You have to prepare for Unit 3. And Unit 4, let us see this one. This is plant physiology. Plant physiology. In plant physiology, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis as a means of autotrophic nutrition, sites of photosynthesis, and pigments involved in photosynthesis, photochemical and biosynthetic phases of photosynthesis, cyclic and non-cyclic, and photophosphorylation, homeostasis, hypothesis, photorespiration, C3 and C4 pathways, factors affecting photosynthesis. Respiration, if you take, exchange gases, cellular respiration, glycolysis, fermentation, anaerobic, TCA cycle and electron transport system. Aerobic, energy relations, number of ATP molecules generated, amphibolic pathways, respiratory quotient. Plant growth and development, seed germination, phases of plant growth and plant growth rate, conditions of growth, differentiation and redifferentiation, sequence of developmental process in a plant, growth regulators, auxin, gibberellin, cytogenin, ethylene and ABA. Unit 5, if you see, human physiology. Human physiology contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 subunits. In that first subunit is breathing and respiration. This part is very, very important. And respiratory organs in animals, this is only recall. And respiratory system in humans, mechanism of breathing and its regulation in humans, exchange of gases, transport of gases and regulation of respiration, respiratory volumes, disorders related to respiration, asthma, emphysema, occupational respiratory disorders, body fluids and circulation, composition of blood groups, coagulation of blood, composition of lymph and its function. Human circulatory system, structure of human heart and blood vessels, cardiac cycle, cardiac output, ECG, double circulation, regulation of cardiac activity, disorders of circulatory system, hypertension, coronary artery disease, angina pectoris, heart failure. All these are included in the body fluid and circulation. The next subunit, if you see, it is excretory products and their elimination. Modes of excretion, aminotelism, urotelism, uricotelism, human excretory system, structure and function, urine formation, osmoregulation, regulation of kidney function, renin, angiotensin, arterial natriuretic factor, that is ADH, and diabetic insipidus. Role of other organs in excretion, disorders, uremia, renal failure, renal calculi, nephritis, dialysis and artificial kidney. And locomotion and movements is the next subunit. That is what are included in this, in the sense, types of movement, ciliary, flagellary, muscular, skeletal muscle contract proteins and muscle contraction, skeletal system and its function to be dealt within the relevant practical syllabus. Joints, disorders of muscular and skeletal system, myasthenia gravis, tetany, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, osteoporosis, gut. Neural control and coordination. What do these include in the sense? Neuron and nerves, nerve system in human central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and visceral nervous system, generation and conduction of nerve impulses. Chemical coordination and regulation. If you see, endocrine glands and hormones, human endocrine system, hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, gonads. Mechanism of hormone action, elementary idea. Role of hormones as messengers or regulators, hypo and hyperactivity and related disorders. Common disorders, example dwarfism, acromegaly, cretinism, goiter, exophthalmic goiter, diabetes, and Addison's disease. So this is the 5th unit. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share this to your friends, those are preparing for NEET 2025. Thank you so much.